This is a real fast and easy dish. You can get everything done in the time it takes you to cook your pasta. So the first thing you want to do is going to get your pasta in the water. So just drop it straight in. As the bottoms begin to soften in the boiling water, you can just gently ease the rest of the pasta in using a pair of tongs. Whilst the water's on, we're going to get our cherry tomatoes and garlic prepped and ready to go. Just going to halve the cherry tomatoes, no messing around. I'm just going to crack the garlic with a firm hit, but not so hard that you completely smash the clove. I'm just going to split those cloves in half, and we'll take out the centre of each clove if it's green, because that makes the garlic bitter. If you like a little spice, red chilli goes with this really well, so just whole red chilli sliced and put in with everything else. Perfect. Right, we're just going to roughly slice this up. Doesn't need to be too accurate, but as thin slices as you can manage. And then we'll just drop that straight into the bowl with the cherry tomatoes.
Skip to the end.
Grab your parsley, pick all the leaves off, then we'll roll those up to make it easier to slice. We'll run the knife through, being careful with our thumb to make sure it's tucked in behind our fingers. That's it, and then just going to roughly go through it a couple of times to give a good rough chopped parsley. When you have only a few minutes left on the pasta, we need to turn on the pan we're going to use to cook the clams to get it really hot. The clams here have already been purged, which effectively means I've placed them in freshly salted water or clean salted water. So I'll put a link to purging clams in the description below. What they do is they filter through that clean salted water and get rid of all the sand and grit inside themselves, so they kind of de-grit themselves for you. We put our garlic and tomatoes into the same container with your clams and get your white wine ready and open, ready to go. You should have a pan that's on and roasting hot, ready to go. Lower the sound in. Splash of white wine. Lid. Take a strand of our linguine, check it's cooked, which what we do is we're going to snap that in half. We should see the faintest dot of what looks like slightly different kind of raw pasta in the very center of the strand. If you're happy with the cooking, now you can drain your pasta off to one side. Just give the pan a gentle kind of shake, just to get the jobs off so we can see inside really. There's also kind of just to kind of encourage the clams to open up a little. You missed in the steam there as I just poured a little olive oil over the pasta just to prevent it sticking together. Use quite a generous amount of olive oil as this will also bind with the wine to form the base of our sauce. All these clams are pinged open now. It's really easy to overcook clams. Honestly, once they're pinged open a few more seconds, they'll continue to cook as we finish off the recipe. These are going to be just right. So get the parsley in and gently stir that through. With all shell food, you don't want to accidentally break your shells and create little shards within the dish. Stir in your pasta, again, being gentle so as not to break any shells. And try and evenly distribute as best you can your tomatoes, parsley and garlic. Season your dish to your taste. And that's really it. It's as simple as that. Get your plates, put your pasta on your plates, add on your clams over the top, a little extra of the sauce from the bottom of the pan. Good to go. That's it. 2 delicious plates of seafood pasta and conveniently an open bottle of white wine to go with it. Try it out, let me know how you get on. Hope you enjoy.